Each of you claim that the other is responsible for an automobile accident that occurred. You were seriously injured, according
Yes,
to
ma'am.
what I read. When did this accident take place?
September 2018.
What date in September?
The 4th,
What kind of car were you driving, Mr. Hassan?
a Cadillac CTS 2003.
Is the car registered in your name?
Yes, it was.
When had you purchased it?
I purchased it just a few months before from my baseball coach.
And was it insured?
Yes,
Was it insured on September, and can you establish to me
Yes.
that it was insured on September 4th, 2018?
yes, ma'am.
May I see that? And what kind of a car were you driving?
A 2004 Chevy Impala.
Car registered in your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it insured on that date?
No, ma'am.
That's why you're going to lose.
But it was an honest mistake, ma'am. It
There's
had
no
expired.
honest mistake. There's no honest mistake about a car
But that
not being
doesn't
insured.
that
That's
doesn't
no-
mean that
that's-
he's not at fault for the accident,
What
all
I'm
because of
telling you
insurance.
is, what I'm telling you is, in my judgment, anybody who drives a car without insurance is committing a crime. You're not supposed to drive a car without insurance.
It had expired, ma'am.
I don't care what the reason is. I'm 77 years old. You get a notice, you pay your insurance. Everybody always stands where you're standing and says, I didn't know, it went to the wrong address, I was going to pay it, whatever it
Your Honor,
was.
May I say something?
Sure.
But he was still at fault.
As soon as you got behind the wheel of your car, you were at fault. And he had to chase you down.
No, he just got in contact with me first. That's what it was.
No. Let me tell you something. You were injured. You claimed it was not your fault, that it was the plaintiff's fault. And you didn't go looking for him.
I did, but he found me first.
He was looking harder. This is somebody who wasn't injured.
But that doesn't
So
mean that he wasn't at fault.
you've already said that to me 4 times. You haven't given me any new information. Were you in the car with her?
Yes,
Who was driving?
she was driving.
How did you find her and when?
At first, I couldn't really find her because her Facebook name wasn't the same as what was on Facebook. But then looking through Michael's, his Facebook, I looked through
Who's Michael?
Or Mike, the guy over there,
How did you get his name?
off the police report. So I looked him up
Do
on
you have
Facebook.
the police report?
Yes, I do.
I'd like to see it. So the police report says that they spoke to you the night of the incident, that you were merging into his lane, and that as soon as you noticed him, she stopped merging. That's what you told the police. Driver of the vehicle advised that she is unsure what happened next. However, both vehicles began to spin out before coming to a rest on the shoulder. That's what you told the police on that
Incorrect.
date. Well, that's what the police wrote in the police report. If you have
Totally
it.
incorrect.
The police officer spoke to you, who initially advised that everything happened too fast and he was unsure what had occurred. Later during the investigation, other participant 1 advised that vehicle 1 was traveling parallel to vehicle 2. I assume that this is you that they spoke to. That vehicle 2 struck vehicle 1, causing both vehicles to spin out of control. Driver 1 was transported to Methodist North Hospital for further treatment. Vehicle 1 sustained damage to the hood and front end. Vehicle 2 sustained damage to the front end, so that you both hit this barrier.
I think when she hit me with her, like, the right-hand side, that's what caused the damage to her car. And then when I spun out, I hit the wall, and that's what caused damage to that front end.
Incorrect. He hit us, Your Honor.
You both told the police officers at the time of the incident, when your memory
She didn't
was
speak
fresh.
to the officer.
I'm
Your Honor.
talking.
I was just letting you know.
But he was there. He's a witness to what happened.
I don't believe him. I'm not going to believe what he tells me. I know 2 things. He got a police report and tracked you down. You didn't get a police report. Why not? You've been out of the hospital 2 years. Why didn't you go to the police and get a police report like he did? He tracked you down through him.
I got it online for $17. I didn't even have to go anywhere.
How much did you pay for the car?
$4,500.
And you purchased the car 2 months before this incident?
Yes, ma'am.
And you had no insurance. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $4,500. We're done. Thank you.
Parties are excused. You may step out.